So from San Sebastian to Manila and then to England. From being a teacher, a baker, a dressmaker, to a nurse. She worked as a pediatric nurse and intensive healthcare service in Liverpool for 30 years. And along the way, she met her husband, Mr. Frank Murphy. And she retired at 52 years old. And now, Rosita Cerdenia Murphy.
Good evening, everyone. I'm happy to be your guest speaker, and I love our town, our San Sebastian, Sama, like, okay, yeah. I would like to thank all the organizer of this general association of homecoming in this town. Good evening to Dr. Hazel Caballeros, and to the president of this association, Gilardo Fernandez Jr., Master's President, Mrs. Chairman Babon. I'm so thankful to work overseas, and I help my nephews and nieces to finish their studies in university. At this time, I would like to encourage only two students for university, and I'm going to support them for their education. And for your association, the grant, I will support you every year, 20,000 pesos a year. And to help your parents too, and have faith, prayer, and respect other people. Tonight, I'm so happy. It's awesome for me to be invited in this grand alumni party.
Cerdenia Murphy, in grateful acknowledgement for her invaluable and meritorious service as guest speaker during the 2024 San Sebastian Central Elementary School General Alumni Homecoming of San Sebastian Central Elementary School with the theme Pagpasalamat ng Paglipay kapag hinumdong naglabay at the Municipal Covered Court San Sebastian, Samar. Given this 30th day of September in the year of our Lord 2024 at the Municipal Covered Court San Sebastian, Samar. Signed, Gerardo G. Habonete, President, 2024 General Alumni Homecoming Executive Committee, Class of 1978, and Sherilyn Abuela Babon, President, San Sebastian Central Elementary School Alumni Association. And with that, again, let's give a resounding applause to our guest speaker, Madame Rosita